Good evening, sir.
ಗುಡ್ ಈವ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಆಯ್ತಮ್ಮ?
Sir, ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.
ರೈಟ್, ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ.
Good evening, sir. Good evening, everyone. Today, I am here to explain about the topic of tracking of mining activities and worker safety using IoT. Myself, Chaitra K, and my teammates are Kirti, Pooja, and Preeti. We are doing this project demonstration under the guidance of Dr. Veer Gangadhar Swami, sir, Professor, Department of CSC, RYMAC. Firstly, the mining activity and safety helmet. It consists of here. It consists of a display screen which is used to display the numbers or temperature or any humidity or anything that you want to display is displayed in the screen. Nextly, here you can see the regulator which is used to increase or decrease the brightness of the screen. See, we can increase it or we can decrease the brightness of that screen. Nextly, mining tracking and safety helmet consists of sensor, temperatures, gas sensors, accelerometer, RFID cards. The blue color that which you are seeing is the temperature detector which provides the temperature and humidity sensor of the person while the person is wearing it. Next, the ash color one, this is a gas sensor which is used to sense the harmful gases. And here, this is a RFID reader which scans the location of the person and tracks where the person is. And this RFID reader consists of the RFID cards as shown in white color. If we keep the RFID cards in front of the reader, then it reads and scans and shows it in the app. Next, this is the ADXL. ADXL, which is denoted at the top, it will notify when the helmet falls down and will buzzer. And the button for the ADXL is here, the right side here. And this is a panic button. This panic button, if the person simply falls, also the buzzer sounds. And if he fell down by the mistake suddenly, then he can press the panic button and stop it. Then the buzzer will not sound. And this is the internal connection, which includes the Raspberry Pi, which consists of all the connections in our kit we have done and which we are connected to the app. And this is the complete structure of our helmet. And here comes the app. In this app, we can track everything. Suppose the number 1 denotes that the person who is of first member. It consists of temperature, humidity, ADXL, whether it is on or off. It shows the RFID card number as well as the place. Here you can update the locations where you are nearby. You can update up to 4 locations. Then it will show the locations and all the temperatures and humidity of the present scenario. Next, my friend Preeti is going to explain about the demonstration.
Good evening, everyone. This is Preeti, and I'll be explaining how gas sensor works. So first, the gas sensor which we are using here is the MQ2 sensor. Chaitra, just stop that for a second. Okay, so the gas sensor which we are using is MQ2 sensor, which is the silver color one, as Chaitra has already told. So MQ2 sensor senses alcohol, which is ethane, and it also senses propane, methane, and as well as carbon monoxide. So these are these are dangerous gases. So to demonstrate this, what we are going to do is we're going to make use of the room freshener, since it consists of alcohol. So we're going to spray it directly on the MQ2 sensor, so it is going to detect, and we'll get notification. And also on the LCD screen which is present on the helmet, on that also we'll be able to see that poisonous gases are detected. See, we are directly spraying it on the MQ2 sensor, and we can see that on the LCD screen as well. Harmful gases are detected. Yeah, this is the message which we'll get, and also in the app also this will be recorded. So this was about the gas sensor. So next is the temperature sensor, which is the blue one here. So we are making use of DHT11 sensor. So what happens is when we bring heated things near it, or if we light fire, or if any fire accidents occur, then this DHT11 would be able to detect that. So what happens is the threshold which we have kept for our DHT11 sensor is 35 degrees Celsius. So if it reaches above that, then the person who is present outside, that is who is monitoring this app, will get a notification. And also on the LCD screen also, it is going to display that the temperature has been increased, and we have to reach him as soon as possible. Yeah, both in app as well as on the LCD screen, we'll be able to see that.
Good evening,
Yeah.
sir. Now we look the RFID card. When the RFID card scans the near RFID sensor, we get the current location. We can see the current location in the screen and also in the app, which detects the current location of the person. So it will see the current location of the spinner. Now we can see in the app. So here we can see the current location, Bellary, so that we can detect the location of the person. When the person scans in the RFID sensor, we can detect the location of the person. Now we look after the ADXL sensor. When the person fall down or any accident occurs, the position of the person can be detected. If the helmet is fall down and ADXL detector detects and update it. Here we can see 10 seconds after the fall down. After 10 seconds, if the person is still not in correct position, still the helmet in the fall down position, alert will go to the control room, and also we get beep sound. And by using this, and we get the alarm button. So here by using the panic button, we can stop the beat if the person is safe. If not, the person is safe, then go to the warning statement to the control room. So here we can see warning messages. So in this screen, it will visible the warning message up to 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, the warning message will send to the control station. So here the status will be worker fall down. So here status will be the worker fall down. So we can off the panic button if the worker is safe. If not, the control state, the alert will go to the control room. So this is all about the ADXL sensor. And finally, we can say that our project have reached all the results like 4 objectives. First, gas detector, which detects the harmful gases. Second, temperature detector, which detects the high temperature. Third, ADXL sensor, the position of the person can be detected, like if the person is fall down or reached any accident, then alert will send to the control room, which we can view in the app. Next one, RFID card and scanner, in which the location of the person can be detected. This is all about the project demonstration. Next, we can conclude. So using Internet of Things, we can implement different applications which are useful in the society. This technology can be applied in the tracking, mining, and implement safety measures for the employees. Real-time monitoring system is developed to provide clear and more point-to-point perceptions around the mine system, and also communication between the mine workers. Thank you, sir.
ಅಲಾರಾಮ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಏನಾರ ಇದೆಯಮ್ಮ ಅದು ಇವ್ರಿಗೆ ಇಂಟಿಮೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರಿಗೆ?